Hi everyone, Mrs. Shaheen here. Today we're going to continue to learn about arrays, which is the introduction into multiplication and division. I believe we're doing Zern 6.6 today. And these were the problems that were sent. You can pause it if you need to write them down. Okay. And what it says to do is to complete each missing part, describing each array. So this was our first array. And it said there are 5 rows of blank, 3 columns of blank, and the multiplication sentence. Well, rows, remember, go what? Across. Like we row a boat across the water, row goes across. So we have 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 rows. And how many are in each row? 1, 2, and 3. So we have 5 rows of 3. Columns are like columns of a house. They hold it up and down. So we have 1, 2, 3 columns, which it told us. And how much is in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 rows of 3 and 3 columns of 5. So if we did our multiplication sentence, it would be 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. Okay, you could have done your repeated addition sentence, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 to get your answer. So you know if you did your repeated addition either in your head, mentally, or on your paper, your answer is going to be 15. Okay, so 3 rows of 5, 5 rows of 3 is the same as 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, which gives us 15. Remember, when it says 5 rows of 3, all it's saying is that you're adding 3 5 times. 5 columns of 3, same thing. The next one, I'm going to let you look at it while I draw it. Okay, it said we have 4 rows of 5 columns up. So, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. How many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 4 rows of 5. So your repeated addition would be 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many is in each? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 columns of 4. So you would have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And all of these equal us a total of 20. Our multiplication sentence, 4 rows of 5, 4 times 5. 5 columns of 4, 5 times 4 equals 20 on all of it. All right, our third problem. Okay, we have an array of triangles, and it says blank rows of blank, blank columns of blank equals 12 equals 12. So rows go what? Across. We have 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. How many in each? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 rows of 4 equals 12, because that would be 4 plus 4 plus 4. Columns, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and how many in each? 1, 2, 3. 4 columns of 3. That would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Multiplication sentence, 4 times 3 and 3 times 4, both equal to 12. This one went an extra step though, and we're going to erase this at the bottom. And it said to add 1 more row. Add 1 more row. Rows go across. So we're going to add 1 more row. Now it wants to know your new total. So you had 12, and how many more did you add? 13, 14, 15, 16. Because now you have 4 rows of 4 and 4 columns of 4, all equals 16. Second part said add one more column to this new array. So we're going to add our column to this new array. So how many did we add? We added 4. So we had 16, right? And this array was 16, plus we're adding 4 to it, equals 20. Our new array is 5 columns of 4, or 5 times 4, which equals 20. And our final problem today, and I'll let you see it while I draw it. Guess I should have brought an extra whiteboards home so that I could have them all written already, but I didn't. Okay, so the first thing says blank rows of blank, blank columns of blank. So let's count our rows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. How many is in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 rows of 5, which for addition would be what? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? And columns, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns also. And how many is in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 rows of 5 and 5 columns of 5. That indicates our array is a square. So we would do 5 and 5 is 10, 5 and 5 is 10, so that's 20 plus 5 is 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. Second part said to remove one row. So let's take away this. So how many did you remove by removing that row? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you removed 5. So 25 minus 5 equals 20. 20 left if you removed one row. So you're left with 5 columns of 4. 5 columns of 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Then said remove one column. So we're going to take this off. How many are we taking off now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you're not counting that because you took that off in your row. So you're going to take away 4. So 20 minus 4 equals 16. You're left with an array of 4 columns of 4, 4 rows of 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Hope you enjoyed the video.